welcome to tutorial number 10 on this tutorial series of Porsche 911. So far we have designed this thing. So let's get started. So what we can see is we have designed this backlight. So what we have to do is we have to add this red color effect to it. So we will select this surface here, and then we'll go to appearances, and then we'll go to lights. Here you can see, I'll show you that. You go to appearances, then there is light, then there is LED, then double click on the red LED, and you can see the effect is added to this surface specifically. So this is it. And the next thing we are going to do is we are going to design the detail in this back of the car. As you can see, let me turn on the rear view. There you can see there are some details here, these vents kind of thing. So we will add it. So what we have to do is we have to turn on the top view as well, and then we will go to top view, make a sketch on top plane, and turn on the wireframe view. So here is it, and then we are going to go to spline from this point here to this point and to this point. And now we will add it with, try to arrange it with blueprint. Try to align it like that. Like that. And then we're going to make a central line. The reason is we will mirror this sketch, because if we will design this sketch using spline, it will not be the completely mirror like this one. So it will not be exactly the same with this one. That's the reason we are mirroring this. So we will go to mirror and entities, clear selection. So entity we have to mirror is this one, and the line, make sure we have to click this copy thing, and then we'll go to click on this line here. Here you can see the mirror image. There you go. And then we go to spline again, from this point here, from this point, and here. So this is it. Click on this one, make it horizontal, so it is perfectly aligned. So we will get out the sketch. Here you can see. Now we will turn on the shaded with view and keep the sketch selected, and we'll go to trim surface, and here you can see. Here you can see this. Click on this surface and this surface, and click remove selection. We have to remove this selected surfaces. That's the reason we want to remove. We have to select this remove selection, and then we'll click on OK. Here you can see the surface is missing. Surface is completely deleted, the specific. And we will we'll turn on the left view, the right view, sorry, and we will save this. Alright, and then we will go to right. We will make a sketch in right plane, and we'll go to spline, and we are going to make a sketch from this point to here. Press escape, click normal tool, and here it's like that. So that is it, and get out of the sketch. So the next thing we are going to do is we are going to go to 3D sketch, turn on 3D sketch, go to spline, and the next thing we need to do is from here delete it again, here, press escape and try to align this one and this one, make it, and then I'm going to go to the right view, so we'll go to top view and make some adjustments. That make it horizontal, not horizontal, along X direction, straight along X. So now we'll go to rear view. Alright, rear view, load. Push it there and go to right view. Alright, this is good. This is good. Whenever we are making a 3D sketch, we have to take a look from all the direction, all the sides, front, top, right, and back, and every side which is needed. So here you can see. Now we'll go to surface, boundary surface, select this one and this one, and direction is this one and this one. Here you can see. And click OK. Alright, there we go. Very good. You can see the effect of all this this sketch we created on the right plane. It is good. So the next thing we are going to do is, next thing is pretty easy. We'll go to right. We'll make a sketch on right plane. Where is right plane? Here we go. Right plane sketch. Spline. It starts from here and ends from here. Alright. And then try to do it like that. Alright, this is okay. Get out of this sketch. Now we are left with a closed figure, surface. We have to add this surface on this blank area. We'll go to fill surface, select all these edges as fast as possible. There you can see, and click on fix a boundary, and there we go. Click OK. Now you can see a beautiful surface over here. And the next thing we are going to do is we are going to add these what do you call it, whatever, I mean, let's bring it. So we will go to this plane, rear plane, make a sketch on rear plane, sketch, and here you can see from it. So what we'll do is we're going to go to line, so from here you see the surface what we just made, from here to here. Alright, make surface lines like that, from here, back here. Alright, like that. And then again from here to here, from here. So keep making all these lines. And then again from here, here. So we're done with it. And here we can see, then we are going to go to spline, from here to here, press escape. Then we're going to draw a line like that, and then we are going to trim it with trim entities, trim all these lines. All these dots as well, you can see these minor. Zoom in a little bit. Alright, all these extra. Alright. So after that, after designing this, we have to trim here as well, these, and this one. So to the left, and this one as well. So now we're left with these things. I mean, so get out of this sketch. Here we've got all these, sketch number 47, and we'll go to surface, and we'll go to trim surface. And as we go to trim surface, we will select these surfaces and select on remove selections and click OK. So now we can see that it is gone. And after that what we will do is we will hide this right view for a second, and the rear view as well. So here you can see, now what we'll do is we will mirror this thing, So we'll go to features, mirror, the reference should be right plane, and the bodies to mirror is this one. Okay, again, the right plane, and this one. Alright, okay. Oh, alright. So this is it. The next thing we're going to bring in this car is, let me turn on the rear view. As you can see, here you can see this Carrera written on the back and this fender here. So let's bring it on. Let's go to the rear view and make a sketch on this plane, on the plane on which we have uh, put the rear view. Right click, sketch, and we will go to text here, and after that we will uncheck this use format, use document font, because we want to use our own font. We'll go to the freestyle script and the units is 50. I'll make it 40 and click OK. And what we want to write is Carrera, C-A-R-R-E-R-A, Carrera. You can see. So we have to change the direction, so we will invert it from here. Actually, the blueprint was put in the opposite direction. It should be flipped in 180 degree. But even though we get the idea that what is the length of this this logo, so now we have to apply the gap. So the gap is, here it is 200%, and here it is about 105. So we have to take and let's make it 50. I think 50 will be. So instead of writing entire Carrera, because we have mirrored this surface, so let's type only Carrera, C-A-R, I mean. And alright, just lower it down a little bit. Okay. Okay, and click OK. So now we are left with the text here. Get out of the sketch, keep that selected, and go to extrude. And the surface we want it should be on is first we'll select the surface face or plane, because it is our surface. As you will select it, you can see the text is pasted on this surface, and the extrusion is 8 millimeters, and the direction you can see is on the other side, on the rear side of the surface. So we will change the direction here like that. Now you can see, click OK. Let me hide the rear blueprint so that you can take a look. Hide it. Here you can see. So good looking. So let's make a sketch again on the on the rear plane, make a sketch, click on normal 2 again, and we'll go to text again, right? CAR, double R, I mean one R is written R, ERA, Carrera. So we'll make it 50. Alright, we forgot to select the font. The font is Freestyle Script. Alright. And the gap was, here was 105 and this was about 200. Alright. Alright. It's okay. And this is good. And click OK. Get out of the sketch, keep that selected, go to extrude again, then do the same thing. And here's surface is this one. And change the direction, which is this side, and 8 millimeters. Click OK. So here you can see that Carrera is written on the surface, and it looks good. And one another thing I want to make in this tutorial, I mean in this video series, that let me turn on the rear view. I want to add this as well, this thing. So we'll make a sketch. We'll make a sketch on the rear plane, sketch, and we'll go to line, because from here to here you can see there's a straight line, and then we'll go to spline from this point here to here. Press escape, and using these handles try to match it with the blueprint. Here you can see here. Now what we'll do is, you can see our sketch is open. We'll go to line and we'll simply close this one and press escape and get out of the sketch, keep that selected, and go to extrude, and surface here you can see this one, and change the direction. Maybe I'm setting the text here. Let's take a rear view, and I think it is, yes, you can see that. So we will go to sketch again, edit it a little bit. Alright, it's not touching it. Okay. Alright. Extrude this one and select the surface, that one, change the direction here and click OK. Hide the rear view, and mirror this specific surface, I mean this 3D feature. We'll go to mirror. Here you can select the right plane, plane for reference. Select this body and click OK. Now you can see. So this is it, guys. So in the next tutorial we'll be designing the wheels and all, and we'll add some more details in the front and all, because I mean it will take 2 or 3 more videos to complete this tutorial series, and we'll go to and further another car, that is maybe Mercedes SLS, or maybe Aston Martin. So this is it for today, guys, and see you in the next tutorial.